football fans are still trying to process the sudden departure of Cedella Marley from her long-time role as global brand ambassador for the Reggae Girlz. Going with her is the support of the Bob and Rita Marley Foundation. And look, what about the timing of this resignation? 1 week before the election, Cedella pulled the plug while pointing blame at the current administration. This looks like the hedging of a political bet. So what if, as it now looks likely, Mike Ricketts returns to office? Cedella gone forever? That's the risk you take when you tangle up in football politics. Your side lose and you're left out of grass. Of course, some people inside the JFF are singing Happy Riddance to Cedella. With her and her influence now out of the way, the JFF can now retake control of the women's program. Of course, the last time the JFF had full control of the Reggae Girlz program, it ended up abandoned and scrapped. That is how Cedella came into the picture in the first place. So you all realize what is happening. The Reggae Girlz program is gone full circle.